Hey guys, what's going on? Jebb here, and today we're going to be talking about one of my favorite cryptocurrencies, and that cryptocurrency is Ethos. Now, if you follow the channel for a while, you'll have seen some of my videos that I've done previously on Ethos. One of them will be linked up here probably. But Ethos is essentially a cryptocurrency, or it's a token that aims to build a universal wallet, among other things, but we're going to be mainly talking about that today because that is the news that I want to talk about with Ethos today. But let's set the stage for what Ethos is. If we scroll down here on CoinMarketCap, all the way down here to number 61 by market volume, we see Ethos. Ethos is currently worth just a little over $300 million by market capitalization, and by dollar value is worth $4.27 on average per token. There are 75 million in circulation. We come into the market, I just want to show you what's happened with it in the past 7 days. About 5 days ago, it was worth around $3 to $3.50. It was trading kind of sideways here in this equilibrium, not an equilibrium pattern. I'm stuck on equilibrium patterns here in this little kind of valley here in the markets. And then we had a nice bull run all the way up here to a little over $4. The historic high for Ethos is close to $11, so this was a really good buy if you're able to buy it. It's still a pretty good buy in my opinion. I'll definitely be buying some more still. But I think this little bit of a bull market that we've seen, that a lot of people in my Discord have seen success in, is about to continue. And the reason I think that is because of this tweet released by someone named Shingo Levine. And if you don't know who Shingo Levine is, shame on you. You ought to know who he is. No, I'm kidding. He's the founder and CEO of Ethos, as we can see here in his Twitter profile. But pretty much this entire video is about this one tweet, which reads, Ethos meet alpha. As of today, Universal Wallet is officially in alpha release for testing and more testing across the Ethos organization. This is our alpha beta dashboard, allowing us to pinpoint bugs and crashes at a line-by-line level to optimize stability before launch. And he links to this picture right here, which is an interface that he and his developers use to bug test and overall do development on the Ethos Universal Wallet, which is definitely one of the biggest selling points for Ethos. If we come here to their website, we can see all the different things that Ethos aims to do, and the one up here in the top left, which they're signaling by that, is one of the most important, is the Universal Wallet. So let's just read real quick what they say. Finally, a secure multi-token wallet made simple. The Ethos Universal Wallet makes it easy and safe to store and transfer value of any form, anywhere, anytime, any place, instantly for free. That's really good writing, by the way. Good on you to whoever wrote that. Shingo may have wrote it. Probably someone from his team wrote that. But that's a really big deal. A lot of people kind of downplay that. That's a really big deal. A universal wallet doesn't really exist in cryptocurrency other than in the form of an exchange, and exchanges still don't have every single cryptocurrency. A lot of exchanges have a lot of altcoins, but they don't have all of them. They're claiming that they're going to be able to make a universal wallet, and also you're going to be able to buy these cryptocurrencies, any of them, with fiat. So you're going to have a fiat to cryptocurrency exchange partnered with a universal wallet, so you're going to easily be able to buy any cryptocurrency with fiat, with the conversion in there probably. They're probably not going to have a market for each one of them, but basically that's a pretty big deal, and that is why a lot of people call this coin, or this token rather, the Coinbase killer, because that's basically Coinbase's entire business model just gone out the window if they can build this. And something that's really nice about this is that that's not the only thing they're doing. They have a lot of other things that they're doing. I'm not going to go too in-depth about what Ethos does because I have a video linked up here titled What is Ethos? But I will go over a few of the things. One thing they want to do is one-click diversification, which is basically where you'll be able to click one button and you'll get different kind of fund groups of different cryptocurrencies. You can think about that in like an index fund in stocks. Basically, you put money in and then it will automatically diversify you into several different coins of a certain type. Like privacy coins may put you into Zcash, Monero, Zclassic, different coins like that. Another thing is that they're designing for mobile first, which is a big deal because a lot of people that are getting into cryptocurrency, a lot of them are going to be doing it on their phone, because a lot of the newer people that are going to be getting into cryptocurrency I'm wording this poorly. A lot of the people that are going to be getting into cryptocurrency are probably not that computer savvy. Now, you may have older people that are getting into cryptocurrency, and they're definitely designing a UX that is very, very friendly for people that are not so in tune with cryptocurrency or even computers and user interfaces in general. But they're designing for mobile first, which is really, really good, because there's a lot of third world countries where people simply don't have access to desktop computers, but they may have access to a phone, so that opens up an entire new market. There's a lot of other things that they do here. You can pause real quick and read this. This is just a lot of their features here, compared to a lot of other very well-known competitors. We scroll down here. There's also like the Ethos Social. There's they're going to have coin baskets, which is what I was talking about earlier. That's what they call them. They're going to have tax-friendly reports, which will be automatically exported, which is another really big deal because taxes in cryptocurrency can be a real pain. They can be a real pain. They really can. The IRS doesn't seem to like cryptocurrency all that much. But anyway, that's pretty much all I wanted to cover with Ethos. Now I'm going to get into the market today because I made a video yesterday titled, I don't remember what exactly I titled it. I titled it something like Why a Bitcoin Bull Market Will Start Today, which I made it yesterday, so that's today. And I'm going to be talking about what's happening in the market today, because I do think it is still going to happen. I titled it, Why a Bitcoin Bull Market May Start Tomorrow, which is today. And the reason is because of this consolidation pattern in Ethereum. Now, this Ethereum consolidation pattern is formed by this downtrend and this uptrend, and if we zoom in here on the hour chart, you can see we're getting extremely tight in this consolidation pattern. And as I mentioned in the other video, a lot of the time, these consolidation patterns, in general, but historically in Ethereum, will break bullish. We are less than 24 hours from seeing a decision made by the market because these two trend lines converge in less than 24 hours. They converge in about 16 to 18 hours, actually. I'm not going to do the math on the fly here, but as you can see, we're kind of crashing down. If we get support here, we could definitely see the market do something like, that. We could see it do something like that, and hopefully it will break bullish and stay above this trend line, at least until we get above this downtrend. But if we can break bullish out of this consolidation pattern, that is going to be the beginning of a new bull market in cryptocurrency, and it's also going to help propel Bitcoin out from under this downtrend that it's under right now. And if you saw yesterday's video, I know I keep saying that, but if you saw yesterday's video, I'm considering anything below this downtrend right here, the Bitcoin bear market. Even though you can say we've been in a bull market for the last 3 weeks, we have. But I'm considering the long-term stance on cryptocurrency, or Bitcoin rather, is that we're in a we're in a bear market until we get above this downtrend, and we can stay above there for a couple of days. So that's exactly what we're doing right now, and it just happens that it's lining up perfectly with this Ethereum breakout. Like I said in the last video, if these two things happen at the same time, that is going to be huge for cryptocurrency, and we have broken this downtrend. This downtrend is just about as perfect as I can draw it, so I'm pretty confident that this is the proper breakout. We're getting a little bit of resistance here at this uptrend. This uptrend has a lot of touches on it. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 now as of about 2 hours ago. But if we can pull back here, get support at this uptrend and bounce off of it and continue above this downtrend for the next couple of days and stay above it for a couple of days to really solidify that we're actually out of this trading channel that Bitcoin rather is in, because this is a very strong trading channel we're in right now. If we can get above that for a couple of days and really signal that we're actually out of it, that'll be a very good thing for Bitcoin, and we're probably going to be returning to all-time high within the next 2 months if that happens. I'm not going to say for certain that we're going to do that, of course. I mean, you can't say for certain that anything's going to happen in a market that's traded by humans, so there's nothing for certain, but we can use the charts to try and predict what's going to happen, and I do think that we are about to go, not to the moon, but I do think that we're going to be returning to all-time high on Bitcoin in the next couple of days, and I do think the Bitcoin bull market has started. Maybe I should have said March 2nd, because that's when the Ethereum trends actually cross, but oh well, we'll see what happens. We're getting very tight here. That's a big deal. But anyway, guys, that's going to do it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, you should leave a like, and you should probably also subscribe, because, you know, it's free. There's normally a button right here that says subscribe. Just go to my channel, click it. Yeah, I mean, it's free. You know, it's not that big a deal. It's pretty easy, but if you don't want to, that's okay. But what you should also do is you should leave a comment in the description. You should leave a comment in the description. You should leave a comment in the comment section down below. And if you want, you can also join our Discord server and come talk to us about all kinds of different things. We mainly talk about cryptocurrency because, you know, this is a cryptocurrency channel. But, yeah, you can talk about whatever you want in there. I'm not going to complain. Anyway, guys, thank you all for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Please do it. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.